Here are few of the common errors that we'll discuss here. So here I'm writing common errors. So here is going to be the discussion. And the first thing that we have to look at, that we often commit mistake with this one, despite and in spite. Now, what is the common error in despite and in spite? Remember, despite should not be followed by of, must not use of after despite, while in spite is followed by of. So, this is the first rule. Despite we cannot use of, while in spite is followed by of. That is the first one. Till now I have seen, I am feeling very bad that you are committing mistake with as soon as and no sooner. As soon as looks like this. As soon as did he enter the class, then everyone cheered. Now, what we are going to use? Did I am using V1, here I am using then. These three things you have to keep it in mind. And when I am going to use no sooner, it's just like this. No sooner had he, now it should be V3, entered, so it is V3, the class, then the remaining part will be same. Then everyone cheered. Then everyone cheered. So, this is the secondary part. I am just keeping the camera little closer so that you can have better view. Now, the secondary part. Here I am coming and hope you can see this one clearly. Now, here if it is coming in present tense, if it comes in present tense, just like no sooner does he come home, then he is accepted. Now, if you get this type of question, now little tilting should be needed. Now, kindly look at this one. So, for answer of this one should be like this, as soon as does. So, in present tense it should be as soon as does or no sooner does. In both the cases does. Kindly do not use has. As soon as does he, just let me fix the camera, so there should not be any visual or problem. As soon as does he does he come home, comma, he is accepted. Now, here you should write then he is accepted. Then he is accepted. So, this is a common error we often commit, and I want that you should not do this one again and again. Secondly, we will go through one important thing, that neither he has gone to market nor to school. Now, in this particular sentence, we have to be careful of this one. Here I have written he has, make it has he. Make it has he. No sooner he has, make it no sooner has he gone to market, not to school. So, no sooner has he. Or we could write sentence like this, neither and nor. There is an error, it should be neither or neither. I have written no sooner. Neither he has gone to market, not to school. Neither has he. Just like here, neither is she. We should not write she is. Neither is she writing a story, comma, nor a poem. So, the rule is that we should use the helping verb before the subject. So, here it should be no sooner has he. No sooner has he. So, these are the few things that we should look at. Further, you have to clean the board. Now, the next one, again I am going to go through this one. So, what is the formation here? We should write neither, then one helping verb, just like no sooner does he write well, nor read well. We should not write neither he writes well, it is wrong. It should be no sooner does he write well, nor read well. Just like this one, not only he is wrong, not only is he a fool, but also a thief. So, helping verb should come before the subject. That is the primary thing that I wanted to tell here. So, these are the few common errors that we commit. We should avoid these things, and in later video we will talk about the other errors that we generally commit. Thank you.